Hi, my dear friends, welcome to my new vlog and hope you all have an amazing day. So, today I'm visiting Blue Garden restaurant in Khobar, Saudi Arabia. This place is famous for its beautiful ocean view and relaxing atmosphere. In fact, many people say that this place has one of the most beautiful dining views in Khobar. But I have a doubt. Can a restaurant with an amazing ocean view also deliver amazing food? Or is it just another place where you pay for the scenery and not the taste? So I decided to find out for myself. Stay with me until the end because I will share my honest review, reveal my favorite dish, and tell you whether this restaurant is truly worth your time and money. I started with the seafood soup, which was rich, warm, and full of flavor. The aroma was inviting from the very first spoon. It had a perfect balance of seafood taste and seasoning. The texture was smooth and creamy. Every spoonful felt fresh and satisfying. The soup was neither too salty nor too spicy, making it enjoyable for everyone. In fact, it was a great way to start the meal. Then I tried Saudi cocktail, which was refreshing and vibrant. It had a pleasant fruity sweetness. The drink was chilled perfectly and very refreshing. It complemented the food well, perfect for enjoying while looking at the ocean view. Then comes the Fattoush Salad. The vegetables tasted fresh and crunchy. The dressing added a tangy and refreshing flavor. It felt light, healthy, and full of freshness. A perfect starter before the main course. Then finally comes the grilled chicken, which was cooked perfectly, juicy on the inside, slightly smoky on the outside, and full of delicious flavor. Out of all the dishes I tried today, the grilled chicken was definitely my favorite. The first thing I noticed was how juicy and tender the chicken was. It was perfectly grilled, giving it a wonderful smoky aroma and flavor. The seasoning was balanced beautifully, allowing the natural taste of the chicken to stand out. Every bite was flavorful, moist, and cooked to perfection. You can really tell that high quality ingredients and proper cooking techniques were used. In fact, I have tried grilled chicken in many places, but this one genuinely impressed me. The texture, taste, presentation, and overall quality exceeded my expectations. If I had to come back and order just one dish from this restaurant, it would definitely with the grilled chicken. For me, this dish deserves a perfect 10 out of 10. What impressed me most was the quality and freshness of every dish. From the flavorful seafood soup and refreshing Saudi cocktail to the crispy Fattoush salad and, of course, juicy grilled chicken, every item was prepared with care. Combined with the beautiful oceanfront ambience, this dining experience was truly memorable and worth visiting.